Before training your brain, let me tell you what you need to train. Yeah, you just need to train your inner voice. You never train your inner voice. If your inner voice is not in English, your thought will never be in English. Yes, this is the reality. So, you need to practice broken thinking. Yes. Have you heard about this before? Broken thinking. So don't think English is locked inside books. It is locked inside your daily life. Fluency is not about knowing English. It's about living it. Hello and welcome to our today's video. So this is another video of improvement where I'm gonna tell you how you can train your brain to think in English. Many people face this problem when you just want to ask anything to other person. So might be you are not having proper ideas. At the same time, you are not able to respond directly because firstly you are thinking in Hindi, which is your mother tongue, then you are translating those thoughts in English, and then you are speaking. So now it is gonna delay your fluency. Yes. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how you can tackle all these problems and what are the things that you need to do in order to find a perfect solution for this problem. So make sure that you're gonna watch this video till the end so you can understand the concept accurately and there will be no any kind of difficulty. And let me tell you the first thing which you need to do. So before training your brain, let me tell you what you need to train. Yes, you just need to train your inner voice. You never train your inner voice. So before training your brain, let's train our inner voice and how. That's what we are gonna learn in today's video. So let me tell you the first thing. You sometimes talk to people in English, but when you talk to yourself, do you think in English? Simple question. Do you talk to yourself in English? Yes or no? So maybe your answer is no. Some sort of learners who have already gone through this kind of situation, they can say yes because they have experienced this thing. But if you are a beginner and you haven't experienced this thing and this is your main difficulty, then let's move forward. So when it comes to talk about most of the learners, their inner voice still whispers in their mother tongue. Absolutely. This is the main problem behind that. Whatever I felt, I'm gonna share that particular thing. If your inner voice is not in English, your thought will never be in English. Yes, this is the reality. And when we understand this, so we are gonna practice that particular thing. So what you need to do, you just need to replace your inner voice step by step. So let me give you a simple example. When you are feeling hungry, so don't think in your mind, मुझे भूख लग रहा है, something like that. So you just need to say from your inner voice, I am hungry. I'm hungry, something like that. So you can do this for small daily feelings. It is not that complicated task to talk to yourself. Yes, you do not need to find any partner, any other person with whom you just need to have a conversation. You just need to talk to yourself. In my interpretation, the language of your inner voice becomes the language of your future. So make sure that you're gonna try this and it will work to think in English. Now let me tell you another reason. You have a fear of imperfect thoughts. You just want everything perfect. When you are thinking, you want that your idea should be completely perfect. You just want correct grammar, perfect sentence, and zero mistakes, something like that. If you have this kind of mindset, that is holding you back to think in English. So you do not need to run behind perfection, which is very important. So when you are thinking about perfection, this process stops natural thinking. You won't be able to think naturally. And when it comes to talking about native speakers, what they do, they think quickly and their ideas will be broken. But here, if you just want perfection in your ideas, so it is gonna make the learning process quite hard for you. So that's completely fine if you have broken ideas. Yes. So the simple tip which I have already mentioned, broken ideas. So you need to practice broken thinking. Yes. Have you heard about this before? Broken thinking? And how can you do it? Let's learn. Instead of worrying about a particular sentence, you can just use broken thinking. For instance, I want to say I would like to have a cup of tea. So when you are thinking, you can only think tea, want, now. Yes, it's simple. Then when you are speaking, you can say I want tea now, something like that. So just try to use broken thinking. You do not need to think about long sentences or something. Just think whatever is coming in your mind regarding the particular scenario. So broken English is not a failure, it is the bridge to fluent English. That's what I feel. So you can also do the same what I have explained. And when I was learning this language, I was also getting through the same situation. Then I started trying this. Yes, and it works. So don't think English is locked inside books. It is locked inside your daily life. So you just need to remember one thing. Fluency is not about knowing English. It's about living it. Absolutely. That's how you can learn it faster. So next time if your mind is asking you why can't I think in English, then tell yourself because I haven't built the habit yet and I will start it today. So what are you waiting for? Make sure that you're gonna integrate all these things in your English language journey, and I personally believe that it can make a huge difference in your progress. So if you find it useful, you can try, and if it works, then definitely I would feel happy. Yes. So till then, keep learning and keep enhancing yourself. If you have any doubt or if you're getting through any kind of problem that is causing in your English language learning journey, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Accordingly, I would be creating the video on that particular topic. So thank you so much.